What is up, guys? It's Barber CVO in the building. We are back at it again, getting ready to do the XK Glow LED system from XK Glow. Check it out. We're about to mount this puppy right in there. Can't wait to put it on. Gotta take the saddlebags off. It's going right in there. Look at that. I love that thing. Beautiful. This piece right here is coming in sometime this week. Can't wait. Yeah. So we're about to open the box and let you know what's inside. Okay, so here's the product. We're about to do an open box, show you what's inside. These are actually the instructions of the guy in Daytona where I bought it from. They actually had a deal down there. So let me open this up. So here's a diagram of how he set it up. So that's the tank, that's the fender, seat, and the back. So pods, strips, everything, he told me how to put it. All right, so these things have, I don't know if you can see it, but they do have all these little, it looks like a gel or something for it won't catch any electric fire, and waterproof. So these are extenders, more extenders, and a bunch of more extenders, strips. I like to separate everything out first, and then we'll get it out there. All right, so it comes with everything. We got the little caps, some 3M tape, and this is the main bad boy. So this got to go into the battery first, and then we'll go from there. Right. Oh, and what's importantly is that they have to go this straight into the battery. All right, so we'll go step by step, and we'll go from here. All right, guys, we have finished the XK Glow lighting LED. This thing looks bananas. Got a little custom there, right there with the sweet. It does different motions. I'm gonna put it right now so you guys can see. So for the Independence Day, see that? Red, white, and blue. Then we got, I don't know, St. Patrick's Day. Look at that. Veterans Day. Happy New Year. We got the emergency strobes. Wow, that's fire. In case you want to be like a cop, emergency strobes. We got the Ocean Breeze, Tropical Island. Look, I'll show you guys how it works. You got all these preset motions already from the company. So we got a Valentine's Day. Look at that. Passion Heart, Christmas Joy, another one, Halloween, and Canada Day. Thing looks awesome. Can't play around with this. So you could also choose whatever colors you want. See, let's put like green and red. See, I actually two-toned it, so you can actually see the middle part where the horn is. Two-toned it. The back you got nice and red, so we can switch it up. Thing looks. See all the colors you can pick from. Fire, bro, fire. And then you can actually make it breathe. Make it breathe, and you can make the other one breathe as well. You can make the whole thing breathe. Ooh, it's getting chilly out here, so yeah, there you have it, guys. You could lower the blue, make it light, make it. This thing is bananas, bro. This thing is crazy. You could have modification. You could do music. It's got like its own Instagram. It looks like an Instagram. So when I'm in emergency, bang, emergency, coming through. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. XK Glow. Check them out on Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff, right? Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and see you next time.